If you don't love him, don't do this spiritual work. This spiritual work is a very powerful spiritual tip that we're going to do today. And I don't want you to do something that you will now say, oh, how I wish I knew this before doing it. So please, I don't want you to have a regret. If you don't love him or her, don't do this spiritual work. Because after doing this spiritual work, he or she is going to love you forever. He or she is going to bind to you forever. If you are in a relationship and you know within you that you don't love this person, that you don't want to spend the rest of your life with them, don't do this spiritual work. Okay? But if you are sure within you that you love this person and you want to spend the rest of your life with them, that you want them to be with you for the rest of your life, then you should do this, because you don't want to do something that you'll be inside and you'll be bound together. Now something happens and you feel like, no, I'm tired, I want to get out of the relationship. No, it may not be possible. Okay, so think about it before you do this spiritual work. Okay, my name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. On this channel I make videos for people that are serious about changing their story, people that are serious and spiritual, that believes that they can use simple natural ingredients to stop their spiritual problems. I make videos for people that want to manifest money, love and all their heart desires. If you are interested in any of these, I want you to join this channel right now. This is a very big family. Join our big channel, press the red button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you turn on the bell so that you will always get my videos and you can come and watch every single day. Okay, so let's get this video started. If you don't love him, don't do the spiritual work. Are you somebody that you are always unlucky in relationship? You always love them, but they don't love you in return. Okay, they will be in relationship with you within few months, within few weeks. They say that they are not doing again. They leave you and you start crying. Why did they do this? Sorry. Okay, or you are in relationship, you feel that you love them and you want to be with them for the rest of your life, but then they are not proposing to you. After this spiritual work, they will propose to you. In fact, they will come and tell you that they love you and they want to be with you for the rest of their life. That's how powerful this spiritual work is. Okay, now you want to get for me onion. Okay, onion has a lot of spiritual benefits, and one of them is what I want to talk about today. It's a binder, it binds you in love. It's very, very powerful. You don't want to joke with this. Okay, it has many spiritual benefits, it has a lot of health benefits, but the spiritual benefits, one of them is what we're doing today, and we're going to demonstrate it. So get for me one onion. It doesn't really matter whether it is red onion, whether it is white onion, whether it is purple onion, as long as it is onion. Okay, so once you get it, you don't need to peel this, just leave it as is. And now you're going to get a paper, a plain white paper. If you don't have plain white paper, you can get plain tissue paper, toilet paper, that's fine. So now you're going to get a knife, okay, and you are going to get a pen. Those are the ingredients that we need. So now you are going to grab your paper or your toilet paper. You are going to write the name of your partner, the name of your boyfriend, the name of your girlfriend, or the name of your partner, whoever they are. Write their name, their full name, their first name and their last name. Okay, make sure you write their first name. You have to write that 7 times on that paper. And you're going to write their date of birth. It's very important. If you don't know it, try and find it out so that you write it there. But if you don't know it, that's fine too. Just make sure you write their full name, and you're going to write their name 7 times. Write your own name beside it 7 times, and in between the names you're going to write what you want to happen. If you want them to come back to you, whether even if they left you, and you want them to come back because you love them, write them, come back to me and cry and beg for me to consider you. Come back to me right now. Return to me now. You write what you want. If you want them to love you forever, write it, love me forever, in between you and their names. Okay, in between their name and your name. Make sure you write their name first, then your name second. So if you want them to propose marriage to you, you write it in there, propose marriage to me. If you want them to love you forever, write love me forever. It is what you want to happen that you should write in between your names. Okay, you only need to write that once. Remember, write their names 7 times, their first name and their last name 7 times, and your own first name and last name 7 times on the opposites, on the other side. Then in between your names and their names, you write whatever you want to happen in between that. So now, after that, you are going to fold that paper towards you. Okay, you make sure you fold it, okay, towards you. Now you're going to grab your onion. This is where the work is. It's very powerful. Don't ever joke with this. And you are going to slice this into 2 equal halves. Okay, you don't have to slice it all the way. Just slice it up to here so that it doesn't come apart. So after opening it up, you are going to put the paper in between the onions. But let's say you are cutting it and it cuts into it two equal halves, then that's fine too. You just have to grab a safety pin, or you can get toothpick and just push it through from here to hold it together. So holding it together is very spiritual, because what that means is it's going to bind both of you together forever, ever and ever. Okay, they will love you with so much care. They will come back. If they left you, they will come back, cry and beg you. They will seek for your forgiveness. They will propose marriage to you. So after doing that, make your intention, pray over it, that you are using this as a point of contact to bring back your love, your partner, to bring back your ex, that you want this person to propose marriage to you, that you want this person to love you forever, that you want this person to come back, cry and beg you. Okay, so after that, you're going to take this onion and you just throw it out. If you are close to a river, close it in a river. Just throw it in a river and go back home. If you don't have a river, you can just dig the ground and bury the onion in there. Or if you don't have any of that, just throw it somewhere. And that's it. And just wait for God Almighty to surprise you. They will definitely come back. They will definitely love you. They will definitely come back, cry and beg you. That's how powerful it is. So I want to believe that this video is very helpful. If it is helpful, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, if you want more spiritual videos to help your life, watch these videos over there. They will definitely help your life. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Once it has worked, come and share a testimony on my channel and I'll be waiting. I can't wait to celebrate you. All right, I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.